Hello and welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. Today I've got the absolute pleasure of showing you around this 67 plate Mercedes SLC250d. The car itself has got over nearly £5,000 worth of options on it, which we'll run through them on the video, but it is really a clean car and it is all ready and freshly ready to go for the summer months ahead. But taking a closer look round then, looking at the front grille, you've got the chrome detail all in the centre grille, you've got it on the bottom of the bumper there. It's got front and rear parking sensors on this one, LED daytime running lights, and the car itself is riding on these lovely multi-sport AMG alloys, and they're finished in matte grey finish. But taking a look down the side, and it is all in good order throughout, no signs of any major scratches or dents in the vehicle. But taking a quick look inside quickly at these seats was a new enough for £1,000 option, so you get the red seat belts, you get the contrast red stitching in the leather, with a really nice upgrade. It really does set the car apart. Coming through to the rear then, you've got the SLC250d badge into the rear, you've got your rear parking sensor in the bumper, and then you've got the lovely chrome detail and the dual exhaust tailpipes there at the bottom. And another option on one of these cars is these blanks here. It's part of the AIRGUIDE package, so you just fold them in and out like that. So what that does is prevents it a bit better than what it would do if you got the mesh netting, and they'll just fall back like that. But taking a closer look into the boot, the roof is down at the moment, but as you can see, you still get plenty of space under the hatch there to still put anything in. And as you can see with this one, it also has got the pan roof option in the roof, which I will show you later when we put the roof back up. But again, taking a closer look down then, it is all in good order, all the bumpers are in good order, there's no signs of any stone chips. The door edges there are all in good order as well. The same with the alloy wheels, again they are in good order throughout. Quickly jump inside then now. We'll run you through some of the features on the car. So you've got electric windows, electric mirrors, you've got this lovely aluminium carbon effect detail, and that runs all throughout the car in the centre console. You've got the lovely AMG flat bottom steering wheel, and again without having the leather upgrade, you do get red stitching on the steering wheel. You get auto lights with this one. 2 keys are supplied with the vehicle. We'll quickly jumping inside now. And as we're doing the video today, it has only covered 38,188 miles. You have dynamic select modes on this one, so you've got Comfort, Sport, Sport Plus, Individual and Eco. You've got your cruise and limit control stalk here. You've got the flappy paddles, which are finished in this lovely aluminium finish to give it a nice sporty feel. And then quickly running through then to the multimedia section now, it's all controlled via this wheel here. So quickly running through. So you've got satellite navigation, radio, media, telephone and vehicle. So quickly flicking through, you've got DAB radio on this one, so you get the full extended channels. Media, you have got Bluetooth audio and CD player. Satellite navigation, when it loads, and then you've got full Bluetooth connectivity on this one as well. And a couple of lovely nice features, which was optional extras on this one, was the heated front seats and the heated AIRSCARF. You've also got your park guidance front and rear, so again that was an option. And then you've got digital, you've got climate control, and another one of the options was your cup holders as well. This was a £50 option, would you believe, to make this into 2 cup holder slots. But no, it's a really nice vehicle throughout. It has been really cherished by its former keeper. And then just quickly before we finish the video, I'll show you the convertible roof working. So as you can see, effortlessly glides up, and then when you are doing it correctly, it comes up on the dashboard saying Vario roof in operation. But you can also, you can see the panoramic roof there, which is again another option on one of these vehicles. And then when the roof is done, you will hear a little chime just like so. But taking a close look then at the roof all up, you can see it's all in good order. Again, the panoramic roof there is tinted, so it just protects it out from the sun rays. But no, a really nice looking vehicle, just freshly arrived into stock, and like I said, it is all ready to go for the summer months ahead. But any further questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call on 01942 231123, or email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk, and thanks for watching.